How to reset Citizens Bank of Edmond password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Citizen Bank of Edmond password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply search for Citizen Bank of Edmond on your web browser. So search for Citizen Bank of Edmond account. Then head over to the login and mobile banking page. After you head over there, you can tap on the login button on the top right corner. After you tap on login, you should be prompted to this page. Now, all you have to do is tap on this forgot password button that is right below the login option. Tap on forgot password. Now what you'll need to do is follow the prompt. You'll need to give it your username to reset your password. Tap on submit, and after they take the reset number, they will ask you for your information. You can give it for the verification of yourself, and after they verify that it's you, they will give you to reset your password, and it's that simple. All you have to do is keep on following the prompts, give it their answers, and follow along. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.